channel, AYLI, and today I'm going to show you how to make a paper bookmark. Just like this one. So let's get on to the tutorial. So first, we need a square paper. Now, you have to fold it like this. Like that. Now take this, any side, like this or this. Take one side and fold it like this. There, like this. Now fold the other one the same way. There. Now open them again. Now take one of these. See, there are two. Take one and fold it like this. Now take this and fold it. Take this, fold it like this again, and put it in here. There. Now, after you're done with this, take the other one. Take the other one and do the same thing. Fold it like this again. Now, open this little and put it in. And there you have it, your bookmark. So this is how it looks on a book. If you liked this video, like if you did, please subscribe. It'll be a lot of help. And comment down below what you want to learn how to make next time. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Bye!